জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Nayan, are you feeling any better?
They dedicate so many flowers when you die. Flowers before you die. And flowers after you die as well.
Why did Sudha say such things? Why did the glass on the photograph break? That was the policeman's photograph. He wouldn't have hurt his daughter.
Nayan, what are you murmuring? What happened to you? Why did you go to that room? And how did you faint? Nayan, Nayan, are you feeling all right now?
Nayan. The smell of flowers, the smell of the dead. Can you smell them? Can you?
Flower shop. Sir, please take me to a flower shop right now. Hurry up. Take me there now.
Nayan, what happened? Why do you have to go to the flower shop? What's wrong?
Sir, I request you to take me there. Take me there as soon as possible, sir, please.
Okay. I'll take you there. What's wrong with her all of a sudden?
Mother, you are getting me wrong. See, I'm not disbelieving Nayan at all. How can I forget her? What Nayan did for Deepu and us, I'm very thankful to her. Still, all I'm saying is she can be wrong too. Nayan is not Lord. See, Nayan can be wrong in understanding Jasmine, right, Mom?
Uncle, have tea.
Oh.
Drink it up right now, okay? And I was saying, today, explain to me all of your medicines and the schedules, okay? From today, I'm taking the responsibility for your medicines.
I can't take this anymore. Chowmin, I'm telling you, I can't take your pretense anymore. Why are you pretending so much? What do you want to achieve by this, Chowmin?
Worship. Uncle, I want to celebrate the festival today in this house. May you give me the permission to celebrate the festival?
Do you want to perform the Janmashtami ritual?
Sir, how do I open this?
Nayan, there, it's there. Nayan! Nayan!
Hey, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Bring it back!
Hold on, mister. Really sorry.
These flowers have a normal scent. The usual scent that flowers have. The faint, strong scent that I smelled in that room. It's not that.
Nayan, what are you doing? Nayan, one moment, mister. Nayan, listen. Give it back. Give it back. Just give it. Sorry, mister. Please don't mind, yeah? Nayan. Let's go. Come on.
No.
Let's go. Come on. Nayan, can you just tell me what's wrong? What are you doing? Tell me.
I can't tell you, Dripto. I smelled flowers. I smelled death. But that scent is not similar to this scent. Where is that flower? Where will I get it?
Despite being a modern era woman, you believe in rituals?
When my mom was alive, we used to celebrate Janmashtami festival in our place. But after my mother's death, everything just stopped. I used to help my mom performing all the rituals of Janmashtami. But after coming to this house, I got my mom back. It feels like I'm at my mother's place. Aunt loves me as if she's my mother only. That's why I wanted to celebrate the festival with my new mother here.
Well done, Jasmine. You'll beat me in acting, it seems. Please permit her now. She wants it so much.
Kalpana, did you hear that? After your departure, in this house, Janmashtami ritual had also stopped. Jasmine wants to start that again. How can I disagree with this, Kalpana? You can organize the event as you wish. I'm leaving everything to you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much. Aunt, let's go. We'll need to arrange everything. I'll go now.
I don't know, Tapo. How did you just melt by Jasmine's words? But do you know one thing? When Nayan comes back, seeing how you are so pleased with Jasmine, she will give up her hope for getting this wedding called off and drop the whole idea. Lord forbid, if Dripto gets harmed by Jasmine, then you cannot go to Nayan and blame her, Tapo. You cannot do that. Remember, you are the one pushing Dripto towards danger. Remember these words.
I can understand your arguments too, mother. Because you love Nayan, you are pushing Jasmine away without understanding her. But my heart says that she's good as well. Otherwise, how could she come to tears while talking about her mother? Nayan is not ignorant. She knows. She has come here to protect Dripto by staying hidden.
Such a disguise. Dripto will arrive in a while with Nayan. Will you be able to handle it?
How I am handling it since morning. You have witnessed that yourself, Mrs. Basu. You'll see it again. Shall I bring the snacks?
Mom?
Deepu?
Mom, is there a prayer in the house? You didn't tell me about it.
It was not pre-planned this morning. It's a sudden plan. Do you know, Deepu, who arranged this event? Jasmine did.
Listen, ma'am. Ma'am, you must be thinking that Jasmine is a good person because of what she is doing, right? I'm still telling you, she has something evil on her mind. Please believe me.
Don't we know that, my friend? But what can we do? We have no option.
You won't say anything, right? All right then. Let father come home, everything will sort out. Even if mother fixing Dripto's wedding in 5 days, I know. If father takes an objection, everything will fall into place. But why is father not coming home yet?
Nayan,
Father, please come here. Okay, listen. What took you so long? Do you remember what you were supposed to say? There's hardly any time left, and you have to say in front of everyone that you don't approve of the wedding between Dripto and Jasmine, okay? Just tell them.
Jasmine, come here for a moment. Today I permitted her to perform this ritual.
You permitted her to perform the ritual, father?
Uncle, I'm cooking the offering food right now. Shall I bring it on?
Go, my child. Come with me for a moment.
Father?
I have something to discuss with
But-
you. Come with me.
What's going on? Mr. Basu took Nayan and left. What if Nayan is able to convince him?
I'm also thinking the same. If he gets influenced by Nayan, wouldn't Tapabrata just change his mind for you?
I couldn't find a suitable girl for Deepu, Nayan. I was so worried. But Sanjukta found a very nice girl. That's true. Jasmine is a good girl, you see. You misunderstand her for nothing.
Father, your heart melts on knowing that you'll get a beautiful daughter-in-law. Am I right?
No, Nayan. No.
I can understand that, Father. I do understand. You love me like a daughter. You trust me. As you already know that I will protect your son from being far away. So your daughter-in-law must be a beautiful and a very educated woman. Am I right?
No, Nayan. Listen to me first.
What should I listen to, Father? I don't want to hear anything. Father, do you know Mother never wanted to get Tripto married to Jasmine? Mother told me herself.
You might be wrong too, right, Nayan? You just see the girl yourself. She came to me herself to take responsibility for performing
Talking
the
about
ritual.
responsibility, let me tell you one thing, Father. You gave me the responsibility at my wedding that I shall always protect your son. I'll do this duty even if I'm not alive, Father. While doing this, you might get me wrong or mistrust me, I know. But the promise I gave to you and Mother, that is final for me. There's nothing above it. I can quite understand, Father. You want the wedding. You want the wedding to happen between Tripto and Jasmine. But to stop their wedding, I'm going to try my best, Father. I will do it.
Nayan, listen to me.
Look, Deepu, did you see how Jasmine has organized the veneration? She has arranged everything so beautifully. What's going on? Why are Tapabrata and Nayan still not coming out? What are they discussing?
When will Nayan come? Whatever she's discussing with Dad, I have to know that.
Hey, Nayan, could you do it? Could you change his mind? Could you? Tell me.
Nayan, listen to me. What I was saying that...
Uncle, please come with me. You'll talk later. Let me show you something. See this. Come here. Look how I decorated the idol and cooked the food myself. How's it? What is this? Why are you bringing the food here?
We are trying to help you.
Strange. Did I ask you for the help? Then why?
Jasmine, leave it. Let them do it. Nothing wrong in that. Keep them there. Go. Listen, Jasmine. Nayan will help you do the rest of the course related to the rituals. Don't say no.
Please, uncle. All the work related to celebration, I want to do them myself. I don't want any maid's help.
Did Jasmine call Nayan a maid? She has got a point. Nayan is staying in this house as a maid. Jasmine knows her as a maid.
Dripto, my last hope was that your father would come and call off your wedding to Jasmine. But everything has gone wrong. My fight becomes even more difficult now, Dripto.